Good Friday morning to everybody. It's a nice cold morning here in Texas. It's probably about 52 degrees. It's warming up really. It was in the 40s this morning. But I'm gonna get one of my planters filled. Raised beds. That one right out there. And I got a yard of garden dirt I went and bought. And hopefully it fills it up. And planters are pretty tall. Let's see if I can do it by myself. It's the problem. Well, I'm gonna get started on this project. I do have some sticks I want to put in it too that I gathered from all the wind blowing limbs out of the trees. So I'm gonna get them gathered up too and put them in the raised bed, but I won't video that part. So I'll see y'all in a little bit when I start filling it. Bye y'all. Well, it's a bright, warm, sunny day. And I got the sticks in the raised bed that I needed to get rid of, and that's a good way to get rid of them. But little Autumn wants to help. You ain't big enough, honey. You ain't big enough. So, let me see it. What a day. Turned out nice though. Well, see how long I last hoeing this off the truck. Hopefully I can get it done before Brenda gets off of work. It's only like noon right now. Might take me all day. Yeah, we're gonna fill it with dirt. Gotta put some sticks in there. So that's a whole yard of dirt right there. Oh. And I'm sure y'all don't want to watch me unload this whole yard of dirt. It might take me all day long. Already been running out of air and had to sit down several times. But it's good exercise for me. Build up my lungs and get things done. So I'm gonna get this done and I'll show you what I'm gonna do. After I'm done. I got onion bulbs in the mail and I need to get them planted. And I need to make room for them. I'm probably gonna have to build some more beds to plant them in. What, baby? You wanna help? There. Break the dirt. Pull it. You ain't got no dirt. No, Coach. Let me get some dirt for you. Okay, now pull it. Pull it. Pull. Come on, pull. Back up. You can do it. Come on, grab it, pull. There you go. See, you did it. I did it. Yeah, you did it. Good job. Oh, well, I'm going to get off here and see if I can get something done with her around. Will you leave it alone? Leave it alone. Leave it alone. You're going to get hurt. So I'll be back and show y'all what I've got done. Bye, y'all. Well, guys, it was Friday when I was filling this raised bed with all that dirt, and I was too tired to come back and do the video. So it's Sunday now. I got it filled, and I had extra dirt I put in front of the house and in the other raised beds. But Saturday we were busy working on a room in the house, getting it cleared out for Autumn's bedroom. That'll be another video. So I'll walk around the front and show you what I got. It's a pretty cloudy day today. Pretty cloudy. Another cold front's supposed to be blowing in today. It's like, I think he said it's 65 right now. Not too bad. Just a little chill in the air. And I'm preparing these raised beds here in the front of the house. I just got to level it back down. And put a little more dirt here, but I haven't leveled it out. And this is the bell peppers that Les from Lone Star Pioneering gave us. And we have some bell peppers. So, getting a couple of bell peppers late in the season, but that's all right for me. At least we got something. Like a lot of nothing this year. Look at this. Got some basil growing wild right here by the garbage can. Crazy. Just voluntarily come up. I guess some seeds dropped there. But we still got lots of habaneros growing. But I think they're coming to an end here pretty soon. Got some collard greens, turnip greens. Gonna have a pick, clean, and cook here pretty soon. Probably the next day or so. Tomato plant's still going. It's crazy. Don't see no red tomatoes on it though. Some green ones. Oh, there's a red one, but it's no good. Bugs got to it. But it's at its end stages too. So, here's the cabbage. Some of it that I transplanted did good, and some of it's kind of I think it'll be all right though. I got these plants down here I need to take out. I'm gonna plant some onions, onion bulbs. They get rid of these okra. It's too late in the season for okra. Golly. That kind of. I just throw it here in the yard and I'll mow over it. And look, some of this transplanted cabbage is doing good, and some of it's just droopy. That's all right. Got plenty of cabbage anyway. If it don't make it, I'll just plant some onions over here. That's what I'm gonna plant this, some red onions, or what we call purple. But that's all of this video for today. I'll be doing one here in little while on planting the onions. So y'all stick around for more from Pafford Homestead. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video. We'll keep making you more. Bye, y'all.